We have 4 days to go to Christmas for Christmas Day. Wow, we have seen another Christmas 2025. Oh, so grateful, giving appreciation to God. It is not easy. Do you know it is not easy? There are a lot of people that started this January with us. Some a lot, some more. They have not seen this day. They are not alive to see this day, but you are alive to celebrate Christmas again in 2025. What a privilege. Oh, I am so excited. All right, so what are you going to be preparing for Christmas? How is your preparation? Okay, what are you going to prepare at home? See, let me tell you just something. I actually saw somebody having a lot of chicken. You know, Christmas time, a lot of Christians, they do use chicken to do their celebration. All right. So today I saw chicken somewhere. I was like, okay, let me look for, no, not today, it was yesterday. And I said, okay, let me just talk to the person about this chicken, like I want to buy. Let me just go and price it. I now had to go and meet the person and like, please, this is your chicken. How much is this chicken? Guess what they told me just for chicken? The man said 20,000 naira. Are you kidding me? Just for one chicken. Hey God. So if I want to buy chicken from the whole of my family to consume, I am going to be going for like 3 chickens. So I'm going to be spending 60,000 naira to be able to get this chicken that will be enough for my family. Can you imagine? I was like, oh God, what is your issue? What is the problem? Why are you saying it's just too expensive? You know, said, madam, now what I want to sell and be that. I like, seriously, sometimes the problem is not all about government. We should really look at ourselves, okay? We should really look at the way we fix prices and things, okay? Even if he was the one that read this chicken, the feed, you will say the feed is expensive. I spent this to rear this chicken up to this point that the chicken is this big for sale, so I will sell it to make twice, triple of the money. If you have a little profit already in the one you're going to sell, is it not enough? Must it be times 2? Must it be times 3? No, it was just too much. I was a little bit pissed and I left. So I'm coming out here to talk to you that if you don't have the money to purchase chicken, please, even if it's fish that you have to eat for on the 25th of December, even if it's ice fish, even if it's a little fresh fish, make it very delicious for your family. Make it very delicious and be satisfied and eat it. Christmas is not just once. I know by God's grace you witness so many Christmas. So if you're not buoyant, okay, if you're not buoyant at this point to be able to get chicken for yourself, even with pomo, hey God, somebody will say, why is she saying that? Even if it's pomo that you have, ice fish that you have, garnish it very well and just make your rice with it and eat it, okay? Nobody comes to your stomach when you go out and open it and say you did not eat chicken, you did not eat 20,000 naira chicken. Nobody will know that. It is you now that you open your mouth and said, I ate pomo, I ate ice fish, I did not eat chicken. Nobody cares. As far as you're looking good, as far as you're looking okay, that is the most important thing. Please don't stress yourself, okay? Don't stress yourself. Don't worn out yourself because you want to meet up target. I know a lot of people borrow money in some of this festive period, borrow money just to be able to slaughter to what I don't know. I call that eye service, because you do things the way you are at the moment. Okay, you do things the way you are at the moment. comment. I am talking too much. Did I welcome you to this channel? Because hey God, my mouth is just running to talk about Christmas. So I'm so sorry, I was just so excited. You are very, very welcome to this channel. Thank you for always joining us. Thank you for always watching our videos. Thank you for always liking and commenting and sharing our videos. Please do well to watch a lot of videos that we have in our channel. They are very, very encouraging and entertaining. Thank you so much, and please keep gluing on this channel because we love you so much. Okay, so in conclusion, please just cut your coat according to your material. This time around, not your size, but your material, because if you're concentrating on your material, you will be able to know how to cut it. How to cut it slowly and be satisfied. Okay, yes. So in this Christmas, I am coming out here to say, don't stress yourself, okay? Just do it the way you can do it, and your Christmas will be marvelous. Do it. Eat your pomo, eat your ice fish, and then stroll out and get fresh air and look fresh and refreshed and refurnished and refreshed. We just have 4 days to go. Merry Christmas in advance. I know we'll all get to New Year crossover. We are going to be crossing over to 2026 together. I'm so excited at this moment. And please don't forget, don't stress yourself. Do what you can do per time. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.